Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'll be showing you that how can you log in to your Instagram from PC and access all the functions of Instagram just like you do in Facebook. Unfortunately, in Instagram, we don't see all the options when we click over and log in into the Instagram. I'll show you the trick how to do it, so follow me. So first thing is you need to click on to the URL instagram.com. You come here and you have to log in the normal way. Since I'm logged in using Facebook, I'll log in the same. So I've clicked on login in Facebook and here I'm logged in. So this is one of my accounts over here, and if you see that we don't have the options over here to add any kind of pictures or the stories, which becomes very difficult, especially for people uh, who post the things in bulk and they cannot do it using their PC. So there's a very simple trick. What you have to do is you have to right click over here and then you can click on inspect. So the shortcut for this is Control Shift I. You can use the shortcut or you can right click and click on the Elements tab. So Inspect tab. So once you do that, there is one small bar over here which says Toggle Device Toolbar, and the shortcut for that is Control Shift M. You just have to click on this and then you have to come back and then you have to refresh the page. Voila, that's it, you are done. You can close this now, and if you see at the bottom you have the home page, the search bar, along with adding the pictures, what are the likes and notifications you have, you can see it here, and this is your profile tab. So I'll just show a small catalog into this. I just clicked on plus sign and I can add any of the pictures just like I do in my phone. So you can select plus from here and you can upload any of the pictures, just say open, and then it will load like this. Similarly, like what happens in your phone, you can say next and then you can upload it or share it. Thanks very much for watching this video. Share this video and don't forget to click the like button.